Queensland Parliament. The state government announced the proposed legislation today. It's in part due to the stabbing of a police dog during an arrest in Brisbane last year. Recent outages have shown how just...
There's a clip doing the rounds at the moment of ABC News in Australia seemingly mistakenly cutting to footage of a satanic ritual, and it appears on the screen and then the reporter just kind of carries on as if nothing happened. But the story she was talking about at the time was actually about the stabbing of a police dog. Now, dog is God backwards, and we know how these Satanists like their wordplay and they say certain things backwards and there's a hidden message in there. So I thought I would play the clip backwards and have a listen and see if we can decipher any hidden messages from the reversed audio. Let me know in the comments if you hear anything that I don't spot. We're going to have a listen. Was there a satanic reverse message being aired on ABC News?
Queensland Parliament. The state government announced the proposed legislation today. It's in part due to the stabbing of a police dog during an arrest in Brisbane last year. The state government announced the proposed legislation today.